When I travel, I normally use a full-size luggage. This time I'm gonna be using a carry-on. It's gonna be super interesting because I normally struggle to keep my full-size luggage underweight. My wife and I are headed to Costa Rica for my sister's bachelorette party. I was a last-minute addition, so I had to book my flight separately. I'll be heading there with them, but on the way back, I'm gonna be taking a 29-hour trip from Liberia to Toronto. I got 2 layovers in the States, so carry-on was the only way to go because I was worried about losing my checked luggage along the way. So let's try to pack this thing up, as it's gonna be interesting to see how I can get all my stuff into that small case. And we just taken the size differential right here real quick. Look how big this is. Look how small this is. This is gonna be so interesting. So let's open this suitcase up and see what we're working with. A whole lot of space here. As you can see, one side, whole lot of space. Next side, whole lot of space. I'm just joking with you, clearly. We're gonna be strategic on how we pack this. I got some laundry freshly done. I'm gonna work on rolling the clothes and putting them inside. Let's get it. After consulting with my chatbot, I identified that we're gonna fill up this side first, then the next side, and we're gonna do this very strategically so we can get it right and tight. So we're gonna start off with first taking a pair of dress pants and layering it down at the bottom so it's nice and flat. Next, we're gonna take a long sleeve shirt. We're only gonna pack one of these. We're going for 5 days, but it's 35 degrees over there, so we don't need too many heavy layers. So we're just gonna take that one time, fold it nice and flat, place it down. I wanna see if I can get these both on the bottom layer. So I'm moving over the pants and I got the shirt going down and that is nice and flat. Next, I got one more pair of joggers I wanna bring. Super lightweight. So we're gonna get these folded up just like the pants so they're nice and flat. So we're gonna fold this up right here, boom, and then we're gonna lay them down over the pants. Why is it already feeling like it's halfway full? Jeez. Like I said, this is gonna be interesting. Next up here, we're going to place some t-shirts in the middle layer and we're gonna roll them up. So we gotta get 3 shirts in here and 2 tank tops to start, and we're gonna roll them. I like to roll my clothes normally when I pack anyways because it does save a lot of space. All right, next, we're gonna be rolling our shirts. So let's roll this tee up. This is my hiking shirt. So I'm gonna fold it and I'm gonna roll it nice and tight. Boom. There we go. That's rolled up nice and tight, and let's put it in this way so it's going across. Got my next tee coming right up. So we're gonna fold that up, drop it down, fold that piece in, and let's get to rolling it nice and tight. Try not to wrinkle it too much, you know what I mean? Gotta make sure that roll is nice and smooth, you feel me? So there goes that roll. And we got one more casual shirt. Since I don't have many options that I can fit, what should I bring next? You know what? Let's go with this guy. So next casual shirt going down, why not go with my tie-dye Jordan tee right here? So we're gonna fold it across and roll it up nice and tight. All right, so I'm gonna try to put 1 athletic shirt in here and 3 t-shirts. 2 of the t-shirts can double up as an outing shirt if needed. I don't want this to crease up, so I gotta make sure I put it in nice because as you can see right now, it's not creased at all. So we're gonna fold this guy up and we're gonna give it a nice roll. Roll it up, keep it nice and tight, nice and right. So we're gonna keep it nice and right and nice and tight. There it goes in here. Feels like our luggage is almost full on the one side, but let's see. I got another t-shirt going in here. I'm gonna really see how we can pack this up. Another one rolled. See, when you roll it, it becomes much smaller and you could fit more in there. So currently we have the athletic shirt in here, 3 t-shirts, we have a pair of joggers, we have a pair of dress pants, and we have a long sleeve shirt, and we're still packing up. All right, so next we're gonna grab some tank tops and we're gonna put those in there. So there's a tank top there. We're gonna fold it, same thing, and we're gonna roll it up. Perfect. So one tank top is in. Looks like some of these shirts are shorter than the other shirts. So we will have space to start layering them across on the side. So the next tank top will go on that side right over here. Going in for my athletic wear, I like Lululemon because it's a nice material and it's very dry fit. So it keeps me nice and cool on vacation. So I got 2 Lulu tank tops in there and an athletic shirt. All right, we're moving on. Next is calling for a short sleeve button-up shirt to go out. This is gonna be my pick. Zara definitely hits hard with these button-ups. So before we get into rolling this up, let's quickly button it up as well. I'm actually up for this challenge of packing light because I always overpack. I'm probably slightly overpacking now, but you know what? It is all good. We are going for 5 days, so I wanna have a 1-2 option, but normally I have a 3-4 option. So we're not doing too bad right now. So let's see what happens as we start to get more clothes in here. So let's fold this up and then we're gonna take the roll this way. This I probably have to iron out once I get down there. It's all good though. I wanna have it looking nice and fresh. So we rolled this up and placement is getting hectic. There's a longer roll right here. So let's rearrange some of these bunches. Longer roll should sneak right in here just to give us some more room. It's like playing Tetris. So next it's calling for some shorts in there. 1 athletic short, 1 casual short, and 1 quick dry hybrid short. Don't really know what that means, but it sounds kind of athletic to me. Here's 1 pair of shorts. We're gonna roll that up. This is a thicker roll still, and we're gonna try to place it. Remember, this is all in the middle layer here, which feels like the top layer, but. All right, so I'm gonna call these my athletic shorts. So these Lululemons are gonna be my athletic shorts. Then we're gonna try to squeeze this in because it all should be on the middle layer here. I have my hybrid shorts because I guess they can be athletic or they can be casual. So let's get it. This will go right here. So we seem to have the second layer filled up here. If nothing else needs to go onto it. Wow, I fit everything in there. So everything is rolled up, stacked on the second layer. And we have a top layer for light flexible items. What's gonna go on my top layer are 2 to 3 swim trunks, a sleep short or boxer brief, a compression short is optional, a hat, a cap, or a packable beach towel or rain jacket, whichever fits more easy. I feel you. All right. So swim trunks are next, then a sleep short or boxer brief, they're saying. What about my pajamas, fam? Can I just sleep in pajamas or that's too hot? But I got a light set, so we're gonna try to squeeze that in somewhere. All right, so on the top layer here, we're gonna put swim trunks and pajamas and a couple hats. So my pajamas are right here. Got a nice fresh pair to bring with me. Well, to be honest, I got these for my birthday and I haven't opened them. So this is where we're gonna wear them. All right, so that's nice and flat on the top. I think it fits. We're gonna go with the swim trunks next. Roll it up, drop it in. That's the name of the game. Roll it up, drop it in. So we got 3 swim trunks going through. Roll it up, drop it in. Still got some space in our first layer here. So let's see how we can throw these hats in and we're gonna be all goods to go on this side. Not trying to ruin the brim though, so gotta figure this out strategically. I decided to rearrange this a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can put these 2 swim trunks under the brim to keep the brim from flattening out too much. So here's a curve. There's the shorts. The hat can go flat, it's all good. And that looks pretty good right there. Can't go without the bucket hat. You know what I'm saying? Bucket hat's real good for protecting the head and keeping you cool. Rocking some more Lulu on here with this hat and the bucket hat. All right, now just put this one nice and flat on top. And there you have it. It looks like we have our first side complete. Next, I'm just gonna be locking in this top part here so I can secure my straps down. Right now we're using the Beis carry-on luggage. If you want to see the full-size unboxing, definitely check out our channel. Let me know in the comment and I can link it there for you. I find the luggage sets to be very versatile. So we're strapping this in so we can get it nice and flat. Tuck all your pieces in. We're gonna strap the other side and we're gonna get it nice and flat. So now that we have one side all filled up, I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna do on the next side. I gotta get my other pair of running shoes from the gym, so I'm gonna get back to packing this tomorrow, but I'm gonna put my running shoes down here. I'm also gonna put a pair of flip-flops in there. Then I got toiletries on this side. This side keeps everything nice and protected. It's a waterproof side, so nothing will leak into your other stuff if anything opens up. I'm actually doing pretty well with this thing, quite surprisingly. We'll get back to packing this tomorrow, then we'll see the final product before we head out. See you tomorrow. All right, so it's the next day and I'm back to packing my carry-on. Right here, I'm gonna show you what's going on. We have this compartment filled up, and in this compartment, we put down shoes and a pair of flip-flops. Next, I'm going to strategically place some socks and underwear into the shoes and flip-flops, as that's a nice little hack that you can use to save space. After that, I'm going to throw in my tech gear, whatever else I can fit in there. Then I have toiletries going in, and we're gonna get this carry-on packed nice and right. Boxers into a Ziploc bag, into my running shoe like this. That's how we're gonna save that space. All right. I'm gonna put some more in this. Then socks, we're just gonna take them, shove them inside the flip-flops. Just trying to make everything fit. All right, so we're making ways. Just throwing in some of my tech gear in here. This is for the iPhone. It's a little piece of my rig. Here I got a dry bag, which I'm just gonna shove at the end here, get it to fit. Got a couple LED lights. I will also have a carry-on and my Tom Talk sling bag, so I have some room for the rest of my tools, as I'll be traveling with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and my DJI Neo drone. So right now this is looking pretty good. We're just gonna close this up. Just gotta dump my toiletries in here and we're looking actually all good to go. Let's close this up and see how we're rocking, because the toiletries I have are not too much. Oh wow, your boy seems to have packed all the stuff inside the carry-on here. Now what would you look at that? We're good to go. I think I did a very good job packing this carry-on. Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree. Also, make sure to come along with us to Costa Rica. Next stop, we're heading to YYZ Airport. So click the video that's gonna show up at the end of the screen and come along with our journey. Subscribe and we'll see you there.